As far as Maharashtra is concerned, a lot of surprises coming out from there since the last 2 days, more expected in the course of the day as well. Let's go across to Radhika now. Radhika, take us through the key meeting that's being held at Eknath Shinde's at the NCP office.
No, this is a meeting at Ajit Pawar's residence. Yes, go ahead.
That's right. Meeting has started. In fact, Ajit Pawar will be chairing this particular meeting. This is the NCP meeting that has started at Ajit Pawar's official residence. Several of top leaders from Ajit Pawar camp have already arrived. That include leaders such as Sunil Tatkare, Chhagan Bhujbal, Dilip Valse Patil, Hassan Mushrif. So ministers and leaders from Ajit Pawar clan have in fact arrived. The meeting has started at about 11 is when the meeting has started. Now, of course, at 5 p.m. there is going to be another set of meeting which will take place at Hotel Trident, which is at 5 o'clock. So yes, NCP leaders in a huddle at this point. Ajit Pawar has suffered a setback in these elections by just winning one seat of the 4 seats that he contested in. As far as Mahayuti is concerned, this is a massive blow to the ruling coalition. Yesterday, Devendra Fadnavis offering to resign. He wants to work for the party and make sure that the party is victorious ahead of assembly elections as well. Now, Devendra Fadnavis will also be meeting top leadership in Delhi, including Amit Shah as well as Prime Minister Modi perhaps. That meeting is set to take place. Eknath Shinde is also holding meetings with his leaders at about 1 p.m. So Mahayuti in a huddle at this point. Ajit Pawar also sort of taking this very crucial meeting. He skipped the NDA meeting yesterday. We believe that there are several disgruntled, MP candidates as well as MLAs within Shinde clan as well as Ajit Pawar clan. We know for a fact that there were a lot of internal discord and disputes ahead of Lok Sabha elections within Mahayuti. They took a long time to come up with candidate names, seats. It was in the last minute that they did come up with a few candidate names, which was something, there was no consensus over several of these names either. As far as Eknath Shinde is concerned, he had to, sacrifice some of his sitting MPs. He had to drop some of the names to sort of help the BJP there. BJP just winning about 9 seats from, 23 the last time. As far as the entire NDA is concerned, it is 41 seats that they won in 2019, which of course included BJP and Undivided Sena. And that numbers have come down to mere 17. So yes, Mahayuti certainly in a huddle, a huge setback for them, which is why series of meetings happening. Ajit Pawar at the moment meeting all his leaders. And another set of information that we're getting is that, which is by way of sources within Sharad Pawar party, is that at least about 16 to 17 MLAs from Ajit Pawar camp have established contacts with Sharad Pawar, group, in order to sort of go back to the group as a result of, what transpired in Lok Sabha election. So will there be more political churn happening as a result of this massive loss that Mahayuti suffered? That remains to be seen.